So in the previous example, we went from kilometers to miles, and it wasn't too difficult since we knew the relationship between the two. Sometimes there'll be intermediate steps. So let's say you had a conversion chart with a whole bunch of unit conversions. For example, here we have relationships between miles and kilometers and yards and feet and meters, centimeters, millimeters, and then what the heck, I started talking about volume and gave some conversion factors between gallons, cups, and liters. Now, let's say you wanted to convert a distance that you knew in centimeters to a distance in feet. There's a few things you could do. One option is you could start with centimeters, convert to meters, then convert from meters to yards, and then go from yards to feet. Or maybe you want to go from centimeters to meters, and then from meters to kilometers. Then maybe from kilometers to miles, miles to yards, and yards to feet. In general, there's a lot of ways you can perform your unit conversions. In this case, I'd prefer option 1 because it involves fewer steps. But option 2 isn't wrong. Let's practice this with a problem. Let's say you're having a party again, and you want to serve 26 guests. And you think that each of them are going to drink 5 cups of juice. But the juice you're buying is sold by the liter. How many liters of juice should you buy? Enter your answer in this box.